Hi, hello, and welcome to our presentation. Today we will be discussing STEM farming. Farming, also known as agriculture, is the production of food, animal feed, and other goods by growing and harvesting plants and animals. It is the production of the one thing we all want and need: food. Farming has been around for about 10,000 years. It was invented around the Neolithic era or New Stone Age. Over thousands of years, we have upgraded the way farming is employed, how land is cultivated, the different techniques of irrigation and agriculture, and the tools and machines used.
Agriculture has historically been affected and is currently being affected. Historical events. Produce diseases and inefficient methods of farming have led to issues in history such as the Irish potato famine and the American Dust Bowl. These issues, which have historically disenfranchised farmers and put entire populations of nations under extreme stress, have led innovation using STEM methods to prevent similar events from occurring again. Prevention of plant disease as well as environmental engineering provide for a more efficient, less impactful use of farmland and the prevention of future suffering. Current events. While most of the world is slowing down and reacting to COVID-19, farmers continue to work, ensuring our nation's food security. This pandemic has left several producers in the farming industry questioning what effects will this have on the national and global level, their operations, and in the ways U.S. farmers can adjust for the impact of COVID-19 will create in the world economy. So far, the most significant impact that COVID-19 has had on agriculture is global trade by disrupting economies across the globe and leading to major slowdowns or complete shutdowns of shipments of tradable
Social
goods.
context. What does farming mean to society? Our society can only be sustained through agriculture. Food, shelter, and clothing are all necessary needs in society, which are all supported through practices related to agriculture. Based on ecological regions, the types of crops grown, animals, prices, and people all vary. For example, some of the best oranges and grapefruits are grown in Florida. This is because Florida's unique soil and subtropical weather prove to be perfect for growing the seeds. Another example is Texas. Texas has the most cattle in the United States, and that is why it is easier to find and cheaper compared to other states such as Florida and Hawaii. Ever wonder why avocado prices fluctuate? Most avocados are grown in Mexico, and there are many reasons why prices change, such as weather, either because of droughts, heavy rain, or extreme heat. Trade and supply and demand also have to do with prices changing.
Next, we'll cover the cultural and economic aspects of farming. Each ethnic group has a particular historical and cultural legacy that influence their goals, motivations, values, access to land, and resources. This determines the way each group structures their farms and envision future plans. Economic aspect. Agriculture plays a crucial role in the economy, whether it is a developed country or a developing one. It provides the primary source of food, income, and employment to the population. Now that we've covered the history of farming and the importance it has on our society, we'd like to focus on how farming is related to STEM. I'd like to start with the science aspect of it and talk about agricultural chemistry. What is agricultural chemistry? Agricultural chemistry is the study of both chemistry and biochemistry, which are both important in agricultural production while monitoring our environment. It helps in the production of food for our growing population while keeping our environment in mind. Some benefits of agricultural chemistry are increase of fertility of soil, improve the quality of crops, improve the agricultural yield, assist in the production of food, feed, herbicides, insecticides, fungicides, and other pesticides, and to help regulate plant growth, fertilizers, and animal feed supplements.
Moving on to technology. Technology has came a long way, especially in agriculture. Modern farms and agriculture operations today work far differently than a few years ago. In today's agriculture, sophisticated technologies are used daily, such as temperature and moisture sensors, GPS technology, machines, and data technology. These advanced devices and robotic systems allow businesses to be more profitable, productive, safer, and more environmentally friendly. Benefits of modern technology: higher crop productivity, decreased use of water, fertilizer, and pesticides, which keep food prices low, reduced impact on natural ecosystems, fewer chemicals into rivers and groundwater, safer work environment, safer growing conditions, and safer
Continuing
food.
on within STEM's application, engineering is a massive component of modern agriculture. Developments within both mechanical and biological engineering have made the jobs of farmers easier, safer, and more efficient, while economically providing healthier and tastier foods. The impact of mechanical engineering upon farming equipment has been notable as well, resulting in smaller, more efficient engines that can handle bigger projects on the farm. The benefits of agricultural engineering have led to safer, more sustainable farming practices. This helps minimize the footprint on our planet and soil. Modern soil engineering has helped to create better, less